Hello, 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 hello. Good morning once again. Good morning. Please welcome to my YouTube channel, Juliet Alpha Bravo. Juliet Alpha Bravo. This time we'll be docking at San Pedro Port, Illinois, USA. We'll be docking here in this area here. Okay. This corner here. My teammates is here, my shipmate, handsome shipmate. Is also my handsome smiling AB. It's also my cadet there, cadet, and I always bring the tugboat ticket. Okay. And AB, that is AB, the smiling AB also. Sorry.
Stop bow, sir. Stop bow.
Stop bow, sir.
Stop bow. Stop bow, sir. Zero pitch.
Stop bow daw, sir. Speed, sir, 1.6, sir.
Bawat
12 o'clock Victor, sir. Speed 1.5, sir. 12 o'clock Victor, sir.
Bawat 2-4, sir. Zero pitch.
Stop bow.
Stop bow.
Stop bow, sir. Zero pitch.
Bow stop, sir.
Very good.
Ha?
Bawat 4.
Speed.
Copy forward.
Speed 1.4, sir.
Bawat 2-4, sir. Zero pitch.
FFC, sir.
FFC, distansya ka lang ha.
60.
Yo.
Speed 1.4, sir. Victor, 11 o'clock, sir.
Bawat 2-4, sir. Zero pitch.
Speed 1.3 now, sir. Victor, still 11 o'clock, sir.
Bawat 2-4, sir. Zero pitch.
Excuse me, sir. Puno na storage, sir.
Puno na.
Clean up na kalagay.
Zero current.
There is 5 now, sir. Speed now, sir, 1.2. Victor, still 11 o'clock, sir. Rather still S5, sir. 10 o'clock Victor now, sir.
Last 3, sir. Bawat 2-4.
Ano tayong bullard?
Bullard 10 to 20, sir.
11 pa lang siya.
Victor, 10 o'clock now, sir. Rather still S5, sir.
Bawat 2-4, sir. 1-3, Abib. 12, sir. 12.
11 o'clock pa rin.
Victor, boy. Victor. Victor, 10 o'clock, sir.
2-5 meters closing.
Rather still S5, sir.
Bawat 2-4, sir.
Speed now, sir, 1.2.
Abim 1-3 bullard.
Midship. Midship. Speed sir 1.1 sir. First line sir 0700 sir.
Plus 3.
P5.
P5.
Transfer about 1.5. 1.5 upward pick up slack spring. Up slack spring.
P5 brother now sir. Victor 10 o'clock sir. Speed 1.1 sir.
Dapat lang sa tubig, spring mo forward. Okay, dapat lang sa tubig.
Victor now sir 11 o'clock sir. Speed 1.0 sir.
1.5 polar.
Rather still P5 sir.
Transfer about 1.0.
Victor 11 o'clock sir.
1.0 meters. 1.6 polar.
Speed now sir 0.9 sir.
Polar the beam, thank you.
0 please.
Pick up your spring now, pick up your spring.
0 please, sir.
Sir, tuloy-tuloy, tuloy-tuloy.
What is our call?
P5 tayo ha.
Pin 1, 5.
P5. Rather still P5 sir.
Distance to bird about 0.8 meters. 8 meters, distance to bird.
Victor sir 10 o'clock sir.
Sir.
Abim sir, number 9, Bullard.
Victor sir still 10 o'clock sir. Speed 0.7 sir.
Distance to bird about 5 meters. Okay, 5 meters, thank you for
Speed 0.7 sir. Rather still P5 sir.
Parallel.
0 please, sir.
11 o'clock Victor now sir.
1.9 Bullard.
Midship.
2-0 ba yun tayo? Sa bulan na lang.
2 meters, parallel.
Midship rather now sir.
10 meters ahead.
Speed 0.6 sir.
Number 10 Bullard.
Victor 10 o'clock sir.
Bio track. 10 meters sir ahead. 8 meters 6 Bullard.
Minus
1.9 Bullard. Abim.
minus. Bawal to po. Bawal to po.
Speed 0.5 sir.
Sir, bawal to.
10 o'clock Victor sir.
Sir, Abim. 2. Number 10 Bullard.
Abim, okay, Ubi. Abim.
Sending headline forward. Copy forward.
Speed now sir 0.5.
Slightly tighter spring forward. Slightly tight. We are already high. Slightly tight. Make moderate your spring forward. Make moderate. Make moderate. Now sending spring line, sir. Hold on, spring forward. Hold on.
Speed
Hold on,
0.4
spring
sir.
forward. Hold on.
P5.
Beam 2-0. Bullard.
Spring, boy! Boy! Boy!
P5 brother now sir.
Sir, 5 meters. Aback, sir. So, number 10, Bullard.
Victor now sir 10
Hold
o'clock.
on your spring forward. Atlas pa tayo 5 metro. Sir, na-hold on na, sir. Hold on na. Hindi lagi babandawo yan.
Rather still P5
bumabalik
sir.
yung buzzer, hindi kaya. Distance to bird 1 meter.
Speed na lang po. Speed.
Bring line, mid patch.
Midship. Speed sir, 0.2 sir.
Pilot 3,
Midship rudder now sir.
Slack mo lang.
Slack ko lang yung spring line. Slack.
Gatip, si Pilot 3.
Sir, slack lang, slack.
Yung estimate mo yung slack na yung atrasan natin, yung haba.
Okay, nakakas mo.
Mga 7 meters.
Speed sir, 0.2 sir.
Bullard number 6.
Okay, 7 meters backward. Head up your spring forward.
Yes, sir, head up, spring forward.
Slack, spring line.
Tirahin mo pa kaunti, Pilot 3.
Sir, keeping up.
Midship rudder na sir.
Okay na, Pilot 3, okay na. First spring forward. Sir.
Now sending afterline.
Good.
Speed sir, 0.2 sir.
Saan papasok sir yung ano? Yung
Sumabit.
lupit sa sir pag ano?
Ilalim sir.
Sinira sir? Yes sir.
Tira mo muna.
Yes sir.
Tira. Stop heaving forward, stop heaving.
Sir, stop leaving. Apim 20, Bullard.
About 4 meters sir. Abak.
Doon yung stern line mo, doon sa aqua. Doon sa maybe yung stern line mo. Ikaw, area spring. Ito sa 12. My friend! My friend! Ito sa 12.
P5. P5 brother now sir.
Yun yung spring ha, okay na yung spring, tama na yan. Sir, okay na yung spring forward.
Brother still P5 sir.
Dura, balik ko, dura.
Sira.
Brother still P5 sir.
Siya ha, ito cross sa distansya.
Sir, listen dyan sir.
Sir, sagi sir. Tamaan yung tan... Brother still P5 sir. Midship.
Slack, slack!
Midship brother now sir. S5. S5.
Palipat mo ang stern line mo.
S5 brother now sir. S5 brother now sir.
Okay na yung stern line mo dyan.
1 meter pa sir.
Yan.
Hindi pwede daw silang line, sir. May barko daw na mahugulo mamaya.
Biran mo na lang yan, biran mo na lang. Litutag na, litutag.
Rudder still S5, sir. Midship.
Sir,
First line, sir. 0700, sir.